Let's play, discover, sister and brother. Mom, Dad, the high camp. You play and discover.
What's up, Play and Discover kids? Today we're going to tie-dye. So my helper Zethis and Thina, who's currently asleep, but I'll wake her up, don't worry. We are going to start tie-dyeing. We're gonna open a tie-dye business. I used to tie-dye way back in the day. Zethis used to help me, but he was so little he doesn't remember. So guess what? We're gonna teach him and Thina how to tie-dye, and we're gonna get those products to you guys. Yes, how exciting. So we're gonna show you guys everything behind the scenes of how to apply the sinew, how to use soda ash, how to use the dye, all of that. You ready?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. What's up, Play and Discover kids? So as you know, today we're gonna be tie-dyeing. I did the first part with Zethis, but this part requires a little bit of mom power. So I'm gonna do this and then I'll bring the kids back in when we apply the tie-dye, because it wouldn't be a Play and Discover video without the kids, right? So I'm gonna go ahead and fast forward through this part so you're just not watching me. But yeah, this is gonna be sinew. And this is like a waxy material that we're gonna apply to the clothes. So when we put the dye on the clothes, it'll leave these really fun, cool designs. Sound good? All right, let's get started. And then I kind of just find a spot on the shirt that I want to start at. So I kind of want the design to be not directly in the middle, but kind of like off to the side, just a little bit. And then you want to put the sinew, oopsies. You want to put the sinew at the widest part. And this is going to create a geode pattern. Okay, so then I like to wrap it about 4 times. Let's see. There we go. And then I use the sinew and pressure against itself, and it creates a very tight line. I don't know if you could see that. And the sinew has wax on it, so when we apply the dye won't penetrate that line, like it rubs the wax onto the material. So, okay. Then you kind of want to fluff the material and kind of create another area where I'm gonna create another line like this. So again, we're filming this for the kids' YouTube channel. I run a children's YouTube channel called Play and Discover, where we read children's books. That account reaches all over the world. So I'm assuming that maybe children who don't have access to particular books come on our channel and they listen to me read. I have a lot of, like one of my good friends, her kiddo's younger. And so instead of putting like Miss Rachel on or something, they'll put some books on. Okay, so I got the first geode done. So this is going to create a geode pattern. So I've got my main circle down here. This is going to be the start of the pattern. Then I bunched up the material and made another line right here and then another line right here. So that's one geode. And now I'm going to go and find probably a spot on the back of the onesie now. So there's a lot of loose material kind of toward the bottom of the onesie. And now I'll start the geode right here. And it's going to look like a hot mess. But this is where you got to trust the process because this will come out beautiful. And if you guys go take a look in the TikTok shop, you'll see what the geode pattern looks like. This is my signature design. Not my signature design, but this is the design that I like doing the most. Ari said, follow me, guys. Yes, go follow Ari. Show her some love. And make sure you guys are following this account too, because we will be doing a lot of tie-dye. That's actually why we started this business, was to sell tie-dye. We are trying to move out of the country, and we are saving up for that. Okay. I gotta forget I'm also filming for YouTube at the same time, so I gotta show them what I'm doing too. Okay, so I've made the first geode pattern for the back. Now I'm gonna scrunch this material and kind of make one more little pattern within the geode. And you got to be very careful with sinew because it will slice you. When you're pulling against it like that, this will cut your finger, like not cut your finger off, but it will cut your finger. Okay, so I have some extra material right here, and I'm going to kind of just bunch this up and try to make a design right here. So again, I'm going at the base. I want to wrap it 4 times. Okay, so I got the onesie all tied up. This is kind of what it looks like. It looks like a hot mess, but this is where you have to trust the process, because this right here is going to make some beautiful, beautiful designs. I have some more onesies to tie up. I have a shirt. I have a tank top right here. And then I even have some more pieces coming in the mail today that I got to get dyed. So let's get started. Okay guys, so we've got our pieces tied up into geode patterns. This is going to leave really cool designs on the material. Now we're going to soak these pieces in soda ash. This gets mixed with water and they will soak for a little bit. And what this does is this allows the tie-dye to bond to the material without rinsing away. So we'll show you what that process looks like. Let's get started. All right, we got the clothes soaking in soda ash. We'll wring this out after it soaks for a little bit and apply the dye. All right, Zethis, so for yours, let's kind of do green first.
Okay.
So go ahead and grab the spoon, and we're gonna go together. So
Whoa, that's cool.
let's add a little more.
Okay. I really want to see what it looks like at the end.
Okay, and then let's put some green over here.
You got a picture.
Yeah.
And black and purple going to go right there.
So yeah, next we're gonna line it with black so the purple and green don't mix. Come here. So this is black.
I like to get green in the ice. Ooh, I hate that. I like to get yarn powder. I like it.
Nice.
Mom,
Okay, so now
you're doing purple.
you can take purple, and I'm going to give you the spoon this time.
Okay.
And you're going to sprinkle it, careful, in where the ice is clear. Tilt the spoon just slightly, like this. Like that. Okay?
Any more? That.
Let's check it out. It looks pretty darn good.
Mom, can you quickly off?
We will at the end, because right now I'm going to add mine. Okay, so
Mom, what color do you want?
we've got Zethus's and Thena's done. Now we're going to do some onesies for the baby. Okay, so now we'll come back tomorrow and we'll rinse all this dye out and see what they look like.
Yeah.
Let's go. Look at all these colors. All right, playing Discover Kids. Zethus is going to grab his shirt and he's going to put it over here and we're going to rinse it with water and get all of the tie-dye out. Now we're going to undo all the string that's in here and we're going to see what cool design we come up with. All right, buddy, show everybody what you got. That turned out cool, huh? You see the geode design? Flip it around. Wow, that's pretty. Good job. All right, well, we're going to rinse out the other ones and then I'll show you guys what we got. And this is the tie-dye reveal.
It jumped down.
And it jumped down. All right, you guys, how do you think it turned out?
Not bad.
Not bad. All right, playing Discover Kids, make sure you liked, comment, and subscribed, and we'll see you next time.